Pre-Shabbat Shalom family. It's me, that is Zion. And today I'm going to be cooking a little bit of something called turkey dip. Okay? I'm a huge foodie. Alright? I'm a huge foodie. So if you're a huge foodie, just like me, you're in for a treat. Okay? Alright. So, not with just that. We're also going to be making some tuna salad, right? Because you know we got Shabbat coming up tomorrow. No fire. No kindling, no fire. So we got to make sure we have some cold dishes. As well, 720 is going to be making some wonderful burgers. Some turkey burgers. Wait. I think it's beef. Beef burgers. We're going to try some different type of bread this time on these burgers. Some bread I ain't never had before. But I always like trying something new. It's time to be doing the same old thing all the time. There ain't no fun in there. Ain't no growth in there. So we're going to try something new, okay? All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all all my ingredients and how I'm going to do this thing step by step. The whole cooking process and things like that, right? And I'm going to put it all together in this video and it's going to look pretty and all that, right? However, ask 720, you know, did he want to record himself cooking on the grill, his burgers and stuff like that? He said no. He said he don't do none of that. All he do is this two-step. And that's it. But we're going to let him continue to be 720. I'm going to be that is Zion, and we're going to get into this food. Let's begin.
Peace to you if you're willing to fight for it. Rest in peace, Fred Hampton. Come on.
I am revolutionary. I am revolutionary in the eyes of a preacher. I am revolutionary. Put it in the air. Full Fred Hampton. Busting 90 rounds. Make sure they're all done. I am revolutionary. I am revolutionary. I am revolutionary. I am revolutionary. Put it in the air. Full Fred Hampton. Busting 90 rounds. Make sure they're all done.
Let's go. From the west side of Chicago, a man with a vision wouldn't quit. Spoke for the people and stood for it. Power isn't given, it's something we take. Now black against white, but poor against chains. Revolution's rising right now, but not with hate, but with pain. Black, brown, white, he made them aware. Pigs in the bacon, he made them scared.
Y'all take me away, where the lions don't stay, where the wolves don't pray. Every word they speak is fake. Tongues cut deep and their hearts all straight. I can't stay where the truth don't breathe. Snakes in the grass, they plotting on me. Watch how they move, watch how they scheme. Y'all be my refuge, set me